My downstairs neighbor looks down on my upstairs neighbor. How that is possible?
Don't worry, when you understand phrasal verbs, you'll know. Hi, this is Stacie from Phrasal, and today I want to talk to you about phrasal verbs. Everybody knows that a verb is an action word, but when we put it together with a particle, just the grammar word for an adverb or a preposition that goes with a verb, it can change the meaning. It usually changes the meaning. Sometimes, if you're lucky, the meaning is obvious. Like if I say fall down, that's obvious. You can't fall up, maybe unless you're in outer space or something and there's no gravity. But most times when we put another word together with a verb, the meaning changes completely. For example, if I say look down, that doesn't mean necessarily, it can mean look down, but it can also mean have a bad opinion of someone, for example, or something. So for example, the teacher looks down on students using their cell phones in class, okay? So today I want to talk about some common verbs and see what happens to them when they become phrasal verbs. So let's start with a very common verb that can have many meanings on its own, like get. But it gets even crazier when it becomes a phrasal verb. Now everyone learns right away about get up, meaning the time in the morning when you actually get out of bed. That's clear. Or get away. That you can understand, like you're here, I want to be away, I'm going to get away from you. But you can also get around something, meaning not just going around, but avoiding doing something. Like the teacher said, I needed to read a lot, but I'm going to try to get around that, but you shouldn't, okay? But also, you can get along with somebody, which means to have a good relationship. Like my friend and her mother get along so well. She gets along with her really well. They have a good relationship. You can also get back to, if someone calls you and you need to call them back, you get back to them, which is very different from getting back at. If someone does something that you don't like and you want to have some revenge or do something bad to them, you can try to get back at them. And if that happens, then you'll just have to get over it, meaning forget about it. So if you're still interested in phrasal verbs, you can find a lot of information online. But today we talked about look down, get up, get away, get around something, get along with, get back to, get back at, and get over it.